Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video it's going to be a mix of things. I have a grocery haul to share with you. I just got my groceries delivered. I was gonna go to the grocery store today, but I'm home today with Cooper from school. He has a runny nose and has had a cough, and he, because of his autism, he had a really rough morning after he woke up. He was having a lot of like autistic meltdowns and stuff, and it just I could not send him to school like that. And because I think there are some medically fragile kids in his class, because he is in the class for kids with disabilities, so I don't want to be sending him to school with any kind of runny nose or anything like that. So he's home with me today, so I didn't end up getting to go to the grocery store. I ended up doing grocery order. So I have a grocery haul for you guys, and then I'll probably do some cleaning. I did get some, oh, he's already taken the Cheerios off the table. I did get some stuff to finish up the kitchen makeover. I didn't get my faucet yet. I haven't ordered that, but hopefully soon. Who knows what I'm gonna get up to in this video. It's probably just gonna be a mix of different things that I'm doing over the next 2 days, because I have Monday, Tuesday to film, and then Wednesday to edit, and Thursday the video goes up. So I only have a couple days to film, so whatever I get done in these 2 days is basically what I'm going to share with you. So I really don't know what we're going to be up to in this video. I definitely do need to clean. That is on my to-do list, and yeah, so we will see what we get up to. But first, I'm going to show you what I got from the grocery store. Okay, so here is a little overview of some of the stuff. So starting on this side, I got 2 loaves of white bread. I got these protein up like flatbreads for my husband. He wants to start keto again, so I got him those. I got 2 of these restaurant pepperoni pizzas. These are the ones that my son likes, so I got those. Those are good for him for supper, and he likes to take some for his lunches for school as well, so got 2 of those. I got a package of pepperoni so that we can make we could even make some pizzas with, well, my husband will make it with this. We have naan bread for ours. I got some more of this Olive Garden Italian dressing. This is my favorite. I take this over the Kraft brand now any day. This is my favorite. I got 2 packs of thick sliced bacon. I got a pack of peppers. I got bananas in that bag. We got some sour cream, some Ritz crackers. My youngest loves Ritz crackers. And then I did get oatmeal chocolate chip muffin mix this time. I typically make my own muffins, but I figured I would just grab that for like an easy breakfast thing. More Nutella for my oldest. He loves Nutella sandwiches. Bless me. Whew. I got some deli meat for my husband for his wraps. I got some more apples for us, and then for my youngest, I got some more of his yogurt bites and his little puff treats. I got 4 of the puffs, 4 yogurt bites. I got these Ritz mini sandwiches. I haven't bought these in a really long time, but I'm gonna see if my youngest will eat those, because he does like Ritz crackers, so we'll see if he likes those. Then I got some grape tomatoes, some cucumber, a block of cheese, the naan bread, like I said, and then I got a big thing of eggs, and then he's on the floor with his Cheerios, so he's already taken the box of Cheerios down. And then I got apple juice. So this is just to kind of tie us over for a few days until payday. And then I'm going to be going and getting some more meat and stuff. I do still have a lot of meat left in the freezer. I have tons of chicken and stuff. So honestly, I probably don't even have to get groceries on payday. I could probably get by a whole week with just this stuff and what I already have in my fridge, freezer, and pantry. So honestly, I probably don't even need to go right away to get groceries. I could probably wait a week. But this is what we're sitting with. This is what we got. And I did spend, let me see if I can find the receipt. So all of that stuff in Walmart in Canada was $152. Don't know if you won't There you go, $152. Now, I did pay a little bit more because I did do Instacart, so I had to pay for their delivery charge, the tip, and all that stuff. So it was a little bit more than that, but if I had gone into the grocery store, that's what it would have been. But anyways, that is what I got for the week, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And then who knows what I will get up to today, but we will be getting up to some cleaning and stuff like that, I'm sure.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real.